Hi, I'm Ray and this is the Ray and Sammy channel. Please do subscribe if you like this video. And what we're going to do is talk you through what we've been able to do in this refurb. It's a complete refurbishment to a old council house, and we've ended up gutting the place, putting in brand new everything basically. So we're going to give you a walk around and let you know what we've been up to. Okay, so as you can see here, we're in the kitchen. So we ended up putting spotlights throughout the ceilings. Obviously you need your smokes and your fire alarms for compliance. This is a rental property, so we want to make sure it's completely compliant for all of the tenants that come in. You can see there's a new kitchen, brand new kitchen, which we've gone with the grey graphite units with a dark sort of oak effect laminate worktop with the square profile, and then we've gone with subway tiles with a little bit of a texture in there and black grout, just to really tie everything in for aesthetical purposes, with the black sink and black tap. Okay, so on the left or right hand side, what you can see above is the new light fixtures that we added in, and over here I envisaged, like a nice breakfast bar. They'll come in the morning and sit down at breakfast with family and so on and so forth, nip out to work and away they go. Over in this area would be the sort of dining room area. I envisage sort of large dining table here, probably sort of situate that way, sit down here and so on and so forth. So coming to the living room, and the living room is just as spacious. So we've got a lot of space here. You can see my voice is echoing around the place. Of course it's empty at the minute, and we've just got it completely cleaned out, and all the mess gone, it feels really nice to be able to say that it's now done and it's completely ready for somebody to just come in and move in, which is amazing. So in terms of the other elements to the project, we wanted to make sure that everything kind of ties together aesthetically and from an interior design point of view. So what you'll notice is a couple of black accents in the interior design. I don't know if they're aesthetical purposes. We want to make sure everything's tied together and pulled in very nicely. So we've got black nickel, sockets. Same again with the switches down there, or the switches and sockets even, all the way around. But we also have a similar thing with the handles. Okay, so everything ties together with the switches and sockets, and it kind of pulls everything together. Okay. So out here in the hallway, we have gone with a black stair balustrade, handrails and spindles painted all black, the null posts and the null caps again all black, again to tie everything in and have that theme running through, the sort of white, black, sort of dark oak in certain places, and then we've just gone with a simple grey carpet. So it should be about a 6mm underlay with approximately, I think it's a 12mm carpet, something like that. So it's not too thin but not too thick where it's not necessarily suitable. It's going to be like pressed down in terms of the fibers and stuff like that. So make sure that it's reasonable, durable and bleachable, so that if a tenant comes in and messes up the place, we can sort it out fairly quickly. Okay? So coming upstairs, so now we're upstairs in the landing area, and I want to show you bedroom 1. So bedroom 1 is completely carpeted, painted and cleaned. So everything's ready for now a tenant just to move straight in. Really happy with the result, really pleased with what we've been able to accomplish here. And I think it will be interesting to note in our previous video when we first walked in this building, you know, what we was thinking of is actually putting some type of wardrobe here. We've actually ended up extending this wall so that it was about 3 foot wide roughly, and we've now taken it and made it a 5 foot wide space, making this room even bigger. But what it also does is allow for a really nice wardrobe to be either built in or to be placed here in situ when you're in. So let's go to the next bedroom. Bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2, I really like this bedroom as well. Again, same finish, done to a high standard. We've got chrome or black nickel switches and sockets, black handles, and whitewashed everything, and white gloss as well for the architraves, skirtings, and the doors as well. So you see that theme going throughout the building. And this is the 3rd bedroom, which reminds me, I'm gonna need to take a measurement of this 3rd bedroom. I'm pretty sure you can fit a single bed in here, but a question came from one of the potential tenants. Kind of single bed going here? I think so. Yeah, probably. Yeah, I think so. So this is the 3rd bedroom basically. So this, if you remember, there was a bath here, there was a sink there, and the toilet was in where the new bathroom is, just, you know, over this wall just here. So this is now completely changed and transformed into a bedroom now. So yeah, that is it for the reveal. This project's taken us about 13 weeks or so, but I'm really pleased with the outcome and the result that we've been able to accomplish here. And again, we are looking to do more of these, and we're talking with investors, and we're also talking with agents all the time to make sure that, you know, we've got a nice pipeline going. So this won't be the first that you see, this won't be the last that you also see. So fingers crossed for a new video on a new project. Right, so once again, please subscribe to the channel, and yeah, do hit the like button if you've enjoyed seeing the transformation and how we've been able to accomplish it. Some of the steps we've been able to document, not everything, but you know, we've been able to document a couple of things for you all, and yeah, this is what we've been able to do. Okay, take care.